friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, we are setting up my September monthly view in my Plum paper vertical columns. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for the month of September, I am using Orange Umbrella Co. Kit 148. It's called Flower Garden. It's a little bit older kit, but I just thought it was so beautiful. And for us, September is really hot here. It's still, the flowers are around. Like, I just kind of thought it looked September-ish to me. So what I have here are the basic labels. I've got the monthly sheet. I've got the dashboard page, as well as some extra washi, which if I don't need the washi here in this spread, I am planning I will probably use this for my Clean Mama spread. So I also pulled in a couple of other things. I've got some little icons here from Saya Planning. I've got basketball practice here from Phoenix Plans, and then the holidays from Fern Creek stickers. So we'll see where I might be able to pull those in. So let's go ahead, flip back to the dashboard page here and get started with these little circles. Let's see, I don't use this habit tracker, so I don't even know if I want to put that down, but then will it look odd if I have like these two and not this? I kind of feel like I really like this one. I might not use either of these and just do this. Maybe I just put this down in the center and leave it like that because this green matches. I like that, that's really cute. Alrighty, and then let's go ahead and put down, I like this orange color. I think I'm gonna put this on top here. And we'll put this down. And do this one next. I can't believe it's already September. Oy, oy, oy. Things are really cranking it up at work too. Like I had probably one of the most busy summers I've had in a long time. 2 years, pandemic, right? Since pre-pandemic. So it's just been crazy. Oh, that's so pretty, that purple. And then let's finish it off with this green. I like this. This is so nice. There's a lot of clanging and banging going on downstairs, so hopefully it's not getting captured in the audio here. Scott went fishing with a friend of his this morning, so I am interested to see if we're eating fish for dinner or not. Alrighty, so there's that. I like that. That's so cute. And then let's go ahead and I'm going to put this down because I love this washi. I don't want to cover up that September. I kind of want to put it just below. I think I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to put it here, kind of just below that line, because that green, again, like I said, it kind of looks good. I kind of like it, so hopefully I'm going straight. I'm a little crooked, but not too bad. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. Okay, cool. I like that. And then let's go ahead and let's just use all the things. And we'll put this one down here at the bottom. It just kind of frames the page. It looks really pretty. I love this color too. Sweet, that looks nice. Oh, I like that. That looks really good. Okay, so now let me pull some scripts. Okay, I pulled my Nicole Hutch design scripts because I think these are cute. And I don't think I've used them in a while. So let's bring this back. Let's put projects here. Let's do good times, where I like to kind of just put the highlights of the month down. And then let's do currently. I've not been reading a lot, friends. Just like I said, a lot going on. I've been bringing work home in the evenings too. So that's kind of been infringing on my reading time. And then let me get my little icons that I like to put here. Okay, so again, some Nicole Hutch designs and then my planner Kate. So reading, let's see. Oh, I've got this like purpley color, an orangey reddish color. Let's see. Let's do this. I'm going to put this one down. So currently reading. Currently, I've got this one here for watching. And then let's see, we'll pull, it's not quite the right, I don't know if I want to go, I should go brighter because of that washi up there. I kind of started listening to Crime Junkie again. So I've got that going on. Okay, so let's see. For projects, I probably need to put some little squares down. I am not sure if these are sized for this. They work in my weekly plans, but they, oh yeah, I think these might work. Not quite. Let's see. Yeah, this works. I'm going to put these down here. These are from Say Planning. I actually have my cart filled to reorder some of these, so I'm going to put this down. Okay, so that's that. One of the things I want to fill in here, I'll put in my book, When Life Gives You Lululemons. Had to stop and make sure I was spelling that right. Okay, that looks good. And then one of my projects I'm going to do is move where I film. Now that Emma's off to school, Sophie is using her desk, and so she's freed up one of the other rooms in our house. So there's that. And then let's go ahead and we will look at the monthly view. I just finished watching the latest season of Only Murders in the Building. So good. I love that series. It is so cute. Let's see. Let's put this down. Just want to try to get this straight. I feel like there we go, that's better. I have to make sure I cover the days of the week here. And let's get this one down. Okay, there we go. And then I am going to go ahead and put all of these cute little green date dots down. Okay, so that's all of the date dots. Isn't that sweet? That's so cute. And you know what? I was looking at this skinny washi. I think I might want to put this down here on the very bottom because this is such a cute kit and I love this that I think I'm going to see if I can get this down here way on the very bottom of the page. I don't do this very often, but I thought, why not? Oh, that's really cute. It just fits. Like it's sized perfectly, right? Okay, so let's see. I'm going to turn this and do it from here so that I can make sure I get it lined up correctly. So I'm not trying to cover the dates on the calendar there. There we go. Cute. Oh, I like that. It frames it so nicely. Okay, so while I'm here, I've got the scripts in hand. Let's put the paydays down. Let's see, there's a payday here. So we get paid on the 1st and the 15th. On the 15th, okay. And then let's see, I am going to put the holidays down next, and then I think I'll do the birthday. So we've got Labor Day. I love these holidays from Fern Creek Stickers because they're just so simple. Let me wipe this out a little bit because it's going to show. So we've got Labor Day here, and then we've got Patriot Day. So I'll put this down. Right here. And then do I have Rosh Hashanah? Yes, I do. Cool. Let's put this one down as well. And okay, so that takes care of the holidays. We've got payday. So Labor Day is a no school day, and I remember seeing a no school in here, so I'm going to use that. So we'll put this up here, no school. And then it's also a day off. I wonder if I should just stack these. I think we're fine here. Oh, look, there's cute little notes here. I'm going to put this here like that. That's cute. And then what else do we have? Okay, I think that there's a lot of paydays. Oh, because if you get paid every week, you'll want that. Okay, so there's that. And then now, what I think I will do is I want to put down the birthdays. We've got a ton of birthdays in September. So I pulled these little icons because I thought that the colors kind of mixed well. So my sister-in-law Wendy has a birthday on the 6th. So I thought I'd put a little heart down there for her. And then my nephew Maddie, his birthday is on September 11th. So let's do like a little purple star here for him. Where's the 11th? I'm gonna put this here, right above Patriot Day. And then my girlfriend's baby girl, her birthday is on the 15th. Let's go ahead and let's go to orange for her. Because I feel like all these cute little colors in here. So she's the 15th. So we'll put that there. And then we have my cousin on the 18th. So we'll go back to, let's do like a little purple heart for her. Oh, maybe we'll do this one here since I didn't want to do purple on top of purple. So we'll do Lauren there. And then Scott's niece, she is on the 25th, which is here. Oh my gosh. This is what's so crazy. Look, birthday, 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 birthday. And then my nephew, Nathan, he is on the 29th. So let's do a orange star, or let's see. We'll go with this red here. Oh, I've got a lot of red already. Maybe we'll do another purple star on the 29th. Okay, let me write all of these in now, friends. Okay, so that's everybody's birthdays written in. We've got paydays, we've got the holidays, no school. Okay, so Otis's flea and tick meds. Let's use this dark purple color maybe. Or we could do green. It's not quite the same dark green though. Or orange. I like the orange. Let's use this orange one. I do him on the 3rd. So let's do these. And it works out perfectly because Saturday is the 3rd. So we'll give him a bath first and then we'll give him we've been doing these oil treatments because we put him on a special diet and didn't want to give him the chewables. But now that he's done with that trial, his food trial, this is the last oil one, and I'm going to go back to the chewables because they're just so much easier to give to him. Okay, so now let's go in and do some of these plans here throughout the month. So starting with college night, they're doing a college night for the senior parents, and that is on the 7th. So I'm going to put that down here, and then I'm doing a site visit on the 1st down in LA. I will be home though later that day. So I've got that one there. And then Labor Day, we've got the no school already. And then I've got a baby shower for a friend on the 17th. I'm very excited. It's her first baby. And then we've also got, Sophie's got a physical on the 23rd. So that's for school and just in general, her yearly physical, but it'll clear her to do sports. And then we've got homecoming week is here, which is a huge deal at the girls' school. Oh my gosh, they do so many crazy things. It's so awesome for them. And then I am doing, let's see, I've got a presentation that I'm giving on the 13th. So I'll put that here. So I have to make sure I'm prepared for that. And then we've got our executive committee meeting on the 15th. So that's going to be a big day. And then we've got a retreat happening here. Luckily, I don't have to travel to that, so I'm glad for that. Okay, and then let's put down some arrows for some of these things that extend. Okay, so this one, this is just a 2-day retreat. I will plan it and then I will hand it off. So that's there. And then homecoming week is all week. I'm just gonna go ahead and put like 2 long arrows. We'll do that there. And then I won't worry about putting it here. I think that represents enough. And then let's see, what else do I have? I think those are the main things. So what I started doing, instead of putting like every little thing here, like all of my appointments and stuff, like for work, my meetings, I just kind of do those in my weekly. Like this is sort of the big things that happen that I need to make sure that I'm aware of. And it was so funny because back to school night was this week and I kind of forgot like, oh, I've got to start looking at the school calendar again. So that's that. And then let's go ahead because like I said, basketball, the preconditioning is going to be starting up here. And so I want to put this down just so I kind of know for Sophie what she's going to be doing. So it's going to be, it's Mondays through Thursdays, and it's going to be from 4 to 5:30. Just so I know that, you know, she's coming home late pretty much every day of the week. Tryouts will happen sometime like right after Halloween, I think. So that's kind of what's going on a weekly basis for us. So I think that's it. This looks so good. I love it. It's so cute. This is such a pretty kit. I think it's great for spring. I think it also looks really good with fall and September coming in. So much going on. All right, so that's the monthly view, and then this was the highlights pages. So I'll fill that in as I go. But alrighty, friends, I think I'm all set for the month. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.